All righty, folks. Has the 10-year note done something different? For a long time, it was drifting down. It actually touched 4.01, but it is significantly off the bottom. The Fed meeting minutes are now talking about rate increases. Yes, folks, I said it. Rate increases. And this is causing the mortgage market to initiate something called lock alerts. This may be very domain specific, but we will once again define something and talk about why it is important to you. We're going to have this conversation with Jonathan from Convoy Home Loans. All right, buddy, what the heck is a lock alert and why is it important?
It's an alert that comes through sometimes a lot of the secondary market people. And basically, obviously everyone knows, we talk about it all the time, Wall Street, insurance funds, like they're the ones buying these loans, right? Mm-hmm. What they'll do is they'll say, okay, we think rates might be moving the other way than what we'd like. So if you want to keep what you're currently at, make sure you lock it. And they'll send us an alert to our email inbox and say, hey, like the secondary market said, lock, right? And it's a suggestion, right? You don't have to, you can still roll the dice. But in my experience, in Dustin's experience, 8-ish times out of 10, it's probably right, you know, just because they have more data than we do. And they're watching the trades happen. And, you know, everyone on Wall Street has a tendency to move up or down based on what the preferential bucket of rates is.
Yeah, my experience, again, I get a lot of this from you and your partner, Dustin. You know, thank you for the education all these years. But Wall Street really is a herd, right? They all do kind of move together. There's always a first mover and a valid, like there's a first mover, then there's the close follower, which it really serves as validation. And then everybody moves. That's what I've learned from you guys. Because again, you guys have brought very interesting products to our channel many different times. And when they land, it's like quickly followed by others. And it makes total sense. So again, I think we're operating in an environment where for several months, rates were drifting lower. And again, they touched 4.01. But the Fed kind of dropped a bomb on Wednesday, specifically the Fed minutes, folks. You got to watch Fed speak. So again, when the Fed is speaking, they use words like a few, and then they use a word several. Now, in case you don't know Fed speak, several is more than a few. So what they said is several Fed presidents thought the next rate move would be up, not down. And that is why the 10-year note is now at 4.08 versus 4.01. And that will send mortgage rates higher. What do you think?
Yeah, it's funny that when the Feds do this, everyone seems to not get the correlation, right? When it's coming down, they'll see the 10-year treasury come down and be like, oh, rates are cutting, and they'll think that mortgage rates should be cut too. When it goes the other way, people for some reason don't listen. Like they don't believe it, right? Yeah. And I think the bond market obviously is the smartest market. That's the market beyond, I think, where
that's smart.
That's money, beyond that is where everyone should be looking, right? But I think the Feds don't believe all the positive GDP numbers that came out, right? Breaking it down, all the positive CPI numbers that came out. Like, I don't think they truly believe that. And that is causing, you know, we're starting to see a little bit of a drift. Like I said, we got that lock alert today. Doesn't mean rates are going up today or tomorrow right away. It means that in the next few days, you might see a shift in the market in the wrong way. And we've been in that little bucket of, it's been about 3-ish weeks now, where this is probably the lowest period of mortgage rates that we've seen, other than the 5-day stints that we've had before, 3-day stints. So now we're talking in 2 to 3 weeks. If you did something, you liked something in that time period, maybe just take it off the table and, you know, move on, right? That's kind of like the notification we're getting, because the Feds are talking, and that does affect the market. And just as much as you guys think it'll go down, it'll also go the other way. We don't know right now.
Yeah. I think this is all to say, you know, that phrase that I think I don't know that I've used this phrase in over a year, maybe 9 months. And it's really simple. It's, if you like it, lock it. This is not a time to gamble. You know, for probably at least 6 months, rates were generally drifting lower. And if you didn't lock it, you were generally okay. Not now, right? You know, this has shifted. This has moved. A bounce from 401 to 408 significant. That will send rates higher. And to your point, Wall Street's appetite could change in a heartbeat. And if you're getting these lock alerts, that's telling. So again, if you're looking at a cash out refi, which I've now done too, thank you Convoy Home Loans for making those two happen. You guys are awesome. And oh, by the way, 599, it's not lost on me. You guys made that happen. So thank you. If you like it, lock it. It's not time to mess around. Yeah. If you like it, lock it. Would you agree?
Absolutely. And the market really has not moved like that much, right? So people are really trying to wait for like, oh my gosh, I want the lowest rate at that time, right? And what they're not realizing is really in terms of like pricing wise, I had a loan that I locked maybe a month ago, right? And then I checked pricing just because I was curious today. And it was really only different by like 40 basis points, which it's a big enough difference where it's like, okay, like that's a cost wise big enough difference. However, it's not like a huge difference in the sense of, are you going to be making a bunch more money because of that 40 basis point difference? And that's just in the cost, right? Not even the rate. So
correct.
Is it really that much of a difference? Not really, right? So what are people really waiting for? Which is why we've been encouraging people. The market is going to do what the market's going to do. But if you're happy with whatever was initially put in, like your buy price, right? Like same thing with the purchase price. Once you lock it in, you locked it in, right? Like that's the base number that you should be working off of. And then everything on top of that is a bonus.
Yeah, I couldn't agree more.
Yeah.
Again, folks, I've been in this game for almost 30 years. Mortgage is a big part of the game. You can really get lost in mortgage rates. And you can really make mistakes trying to get to the bottom number. Write better deals, run the numbers, have certainty. I would say most of the time, including the 2 loans you and I just did, we locked it, right? You asked, I said, because I just want to know the number. Could it have gotten better? Sure. But it could have gotten worse. And I do all my deals based on known things. So I don't know. I'll try to be as accurate as possible. Probably 85 times out of 100, I lock my loans as soon as I know, right? The other 15 times, I gamble for whatever reason. I think there's some number coming out that I think will move the needle, but that's pretty rare.
Yeah.
So yeah, very, very cool. Well, hey, you and your partner, Dustin, were at the ORAT event, 3rd annual. Thank you for being a sponsor. Thanks for buying dinner. I'm curious, how many folks did you talk to? Did anybody come up and recognize you? Take any pictures, sign any autographs? What happened?
Yeah, I always love being at the event because everyone, I think putting a face to a name is kind of the best part of this event, right? Seeing how everyone looks and how like everyone's always smiling, right? I haven't seen anyone in the community that is a true lover of investing real estate that has a sour face, right? Because but behind that smile, we all know is the pain of investing. Right. Yes. We're all sharing the same pain. Yeah. Yes. But so we met a lot of people. We met a lot of the family. We love it. And I was telling Zuber off the channel.
You've probably done, God, I'm going to guess 200 loans, 250 loans for ORAT members over 4 years. I mean, it's a lot.
Maybe. Yeah, a lot. We've done a lot. And I think I was telling Zuber off the channel, and I was telling everyone that was like new members that were coming in. I was like, 1, if you're not in school, get in school. Right. Yeah. And 2, if you're trying to think about like whether this real estate group is better than any other real estate group, I told them like, look, I've been a part of a lot of real estate influencer like events and groups and such because we've been around and we've done loans for a lot of people. This is the best group of people, of genuine people that are actually going to walk with you in the journey. And not like, not just like abandon you for a profit. That's just not how it works. And plus Zuber is like, I know because I saw everything. I'm like, no, he's a man of his word. Like he does exactly what he says he's going to do. And it's like, you can't lie, right? Because I'm like the doctor. You can't lie to me. If I saw something that wasn't good, it'd be like,
you saw all my financials.
So it was like, no, Zuber's not lying. Zuber is telling the truth. And on top of that, he's doing exactly what he's like recommending to everybody else, right? It's like the same thing as us. We do exactly the same programs that we tell the community to do and go out there and do it ourselves. And we sit on stage, we make mistakes, right? We've done bad deals. Like we've had, mistakes happen. That's just a part of the game. We all realize.
Yeah, no, it's fun to work with people, who hold their, do what they say they're going to do. That's pretty rare, especially when money gets involved. you really see someone's behavior when money's on the line. And not everybody's like, hey, I made a mistake, I got to make it right, and eat the loss. So it's nice to be around people that are willing to do that if it goes to that direction. But it's so fun to be around people that are going the same direction. And that's what I think we're building here. We have everybody going one direction. They're going at different rates and they're at different spots, but we're all going that direction. That's amazing.
Yeah, 100%. 100%. It was, I mean, I love the event every year. It's the best.
There you go. We're going to do some really cool things. I'm going back today at 3:00 to make some tweaks to see if I can make my vision happen for next year. So I'll let it.
I love it.
Where can people find you or get a loan started?
Go to convoyhomeloans.com and let us know you came from where we're at. Or you can go on the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, download our app, and let us know you came from where we're at there.
Awesome. Thanks, buddy. Take care.
Yeah.
Thanks for sponsoring
Thank you.
again.
Thank you.